Welcome to our step-by-step guide to integrate CustomGPT into your Weebly site. In this guide, we will show you how you can easily integrate UI Agent into Weebly site. Step 1. Find your store sitemap. You can find your sitemap at https://www.domainname.com/sitemap.xml. Step 2. Create a CustomGPT agent. Sign into your CustomGPT app and start a new project. Click on Create a Project. Add your sitemap and name the project. After naming your project, click on Create a Project. Step 3. Copy embed code. Once your project is ready, navigate to the project settings. Click on Sharing. Click on Embed Code and copy the code. Step 4. Paste the copied embed code into your store settings. This will enable the CustomGPT.ai agent on your store. Log into your Weebly site. Start by logging into your Weebly site using your Google account to ensure a swift and secure access. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, look for the Site Edit option to begin customizing your site. Carefully paste the code into the designated embed area. This code is the heart of your CustomGPT agent, enabling it to function correctly on your site. With the code in place, you're all set. Your CustomGPT agent is now active on your Weebly site, ready to interact with your visitors. And there you have it. A few simple steps to enrich your Weebly site with the power of CustomGPT. Enjoy the enhanced interaction it brings to your online presence. Thank you for watching this guide.